Hello and welcome back. It's been a while.
It certainly has.
Today is
The 2nd of June.
yeah, lovely day then.
It's the first of the Jubilee bank holidays today.
So we've come for a bit of a trip to Bakewell and explore around this little village in Derbyshire.
Yep, so today we're going to show you around Bakewell. We're going to talk a little bit about what Bakewell's famous for, and it might not be quite what you think. We'll show you a bit around the town, a little bit about the history. No doubt there'll be some shops involved. But we're just starting today at the medieval 5-arch bridge, which is what the road you come over to get into Bakewell itself, which in itself is quite famous.
Yep, so come and join us as we explore Bakewell.
Right, so you might think when you say Bakewell that Bakewell's famous for Bakewell tarts, and that's not strictly true. And I think if you said that to anyone around here, they might get a bit annoyed. Bakewell is actually famous for Bakewell puddings, and the Bakewell pudding was created by a bit of a happy accident. So back in the 1860s, a lady called Mrs. Greaves, who was the mistress of the White Horse Inn, asked someone to bake a strawberry tart. But the cook accidentally put the egg mixture on the top of the fruit rather than mixing it into the pastry. But the resulting cake was an unexpected success, and that's where the Bakewell pudding comes from. Now, Bakewell tart is just a different variation of a Bakewell pudding. And the White Horse no longer exists, but it's now the Rutland Arms, as you can see here. So this is what Bakewell is famous for. Not tarts, but actually a pudding. And no doubt we're going to get one at some point today. So we're in the original Bakewell pudding shop. So obviously these aren't Bakewell puddings, or cups and gnomes.
What's the gnome?
There's the gnome. You got bread and lots of other sorts of cakes. This shop just goes back and back and back.
It's like a magical shop.
We got
Doesn't look that big from the outside.
no, it's like the TARDIS.
The what?
It's in Doctor Who, the TARDIS.
No, I'm getting tired by now. Harry Potter.
Right, so into the... so now we've got more pots. and honey and relishes and so on, and beer. We've got some rhubarb crumble cider, that sounds nice. And then various beers. You've got a market porter right next to a Jai
For
Power.
Wednesday, that's very good. Today is, oh, I thought it was Wednesday.
No, the Wednesday will be after Sheffield Wednesday, I would imagine. Football club. So all the beers. Right. Let's go and try and go in search of the Bakewell pudding. So, what have we got there, Hannah? So we've got
Bakewell
iced cherry Bakewell,
and all butter.
an all butter Bakewell pudding,
Tart.
tart, Bakewell tart. Okay. Hello. Well, the last time you saw us, we were just going into the Bakewell pudding shop to buy some Bakewell puddings. Now, in the end, as you might have seen, we didn't actually buy Bakewell pudding. We bought 2 Bakewell tarts. So this is where we went. We went to the original Bakewell pudding shop. And if you couldn't see on the previous part of the video, we bought an all butter flaked Bakewell tart. So this is probably fairly familiar to what you've seen before. And we also bought a all butter iced Bakewell tart, which I think Hannah's got her eye on. So we might be having some of that with a cup of tea. So obviously we're home now. We had a lovely day out in Bakewell. The weather was fabulous, as you will have seen when we had our little picnic sat down by the river. It was very, very busy, but it is a bank holiday. It's the Queen's Jubilee. And everybody was enjoying having their extra day's bank holiday on a Thursday. So lovely day, really enjoyed it. We came back over the hills, came back via Buxton, nice easy road back, over Cat and Fiddle. So anybody who's not familiar with Cat and Fiddle, it's the main road that links Buxton with Macclesfield. It's a great favourite for motorcyclists. I know the speed restrictions up there to try and stop the motorcyclists from going too fast, but it was gorgeous up there, absolutely gorgeous. And then we made our way home. Had something to eat, and now we're going to tuck into the Bakewell tarts, but I wanted to make sure I showed you on the vlog before we managed to devour the lot. So thank you very much for joining us on our little trip over to Bakewell today. I hope you enjoyed it. On your screen now is going to be another one of our videos that we hope you might enjoy. So why not take a look? And then with that being said, that's it for today. We've got lots more adventures planned, so stick with us and we'll see you soon. Bye!